Say my name.
JKL.
JKL?
JKL.
JKL.
It doesn't matter what your name is.
Excuse me!
I'm
JKL.
awesome!
You're goddamn right.
What's up, peeps? L Awesome
Awesome.
of the JKL Awesome. And today we're trying two giant Reese's peanut butter cups. So stick around.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate.
You got peanut butter on my chocolate.
Well, you got chocolate in my peanut butter.
Bravissimo.
Two great tastes that taste great together. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Real milk chocolate. Good old-fashioned peanut butter.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
All right, guys. We went to the Hershey store recently. One of our trips that we usually do every year, we go out to the Hershey store. But this time, I bought something that I said I was never gonna buy. But we decided to just go for it, and I got, bam, the 1 pound Reese's Peanut Butter Cup pack. It's 2 half-pound Reese's Peanut Butter Cups in it, like big Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. And what we decided to do is challenge each other to see who can eat it the fastest. So if she wins, she gets to pick one of my pops in my collection. Not any pop in my collection, but I'll pull out a few that I know she likes and wants and have her pick one. But if I win, we never said what I get if I win. How about you don't ask me for anything for the rest of the year?
Yeah, can't promise that.
Yeah, exactly. We'll figure out what I get if I win, which I'm most likely gonna win because I love Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. And you guys know I do these eating challenges on this channel. Yeah, I don't always win the eating challenges, but I'm willing to do them. Oh, is it stuck? Okay, it's not stuck. Whoa. I'm trying to pull it out. Okay. I don't know why it wouldn't just slide out. It's like it wouldn't slide. Look at these guys. 2 huge Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. They actually come in little cups. Look at them. Oh. This is a half a pound of the peanut butter cup. All right. So we're gonna see who can eat these the fastest.
I might need a plate.
You need a plate? What do you need a plate for?
I'm cutting it up.
You're gonna cut it up.
Yes, I'm cutting it up.
You can't cut it in the cup.
No.
A few moments later.
Plate.
Thank you.
Now you're gonna make a mess. She's gonna be shaking the camera. Watch the hill. Get ready for a lot of camera shaking, guys. Earthquake. Watch your thumb. Look at that, guys. Oh. Cut it to another quarter. It looks like she's cutting it in quarters. I'm just gonna eat mine straight up. So she cut it into 4 quarters. All right. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I think I should have cut it too, because I don't know if I'll be able to bite through it. You ready? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, look.
Oh, God.
Oh, wow, chocolate. I don't want no peanut butter. Already done. If you have 1 bite, you ready to go.
I'm not the biggest fan of peanut butter.
This one is like peanut butter all good stuff. This is like the process, preserve the crap that they put in here. Doesn't last forever. After tail stick is better. It's kind of going around. Good, good. That's a lot. That's about the last say. Hey! Peanut butter phone. I was about to say I haven't had anything really bad for me in a while, but that's a lot. I had that brownie and cook it out. I hope he's going to win. I'm basically halfway done. You don't even quarter. You make the egg. You put all that big chocolate. You get some more peanut butter cup there.
This is over. This contest is done. Might as well just stop now. By using the own.
Good.
That's a lot. If you like the background music, hit up my boy x.e.o.o and get those unique beats no one else on YouTube will have.
If you like to sing, rap, whatever, and get yourself some beats. You okay?
Are you reading something or are you about to fall over?
Over one, yeah, 1/4. Say about this much peanut butter cup. You should already ready to fill up. That's equivalent to maybe one half a peanut butter.
I eat those two, so I'm so confident.
Don't make me eat more.
You already won, so go ahead, eat the rest.
What am I getting for it? We haven't discussed what I'm getting already for winning.
I'm sure it's something.
I think I should get a pop from your collection. Yeah, see? She wanted one from my collection. Won't give me one from her collection.
That's because you have 800. 900, doesn't matter, you have a bunch.
You have a bunch too.
No, I don't.
You got like 60.
I'm 30.
Close enough.
No.
Oh, God.
Eat those.
No, I'm okay.
Why not?
Cause I don't have to. I can eat them later. I'm trying to make me eat more stuff. I
Yes.
already ate what I was required to eat. I'm good. You ain't even started the second piece yet.
A few moments later.
Oh, okay. That was good, but not advisable. You done? Oh, yeah, she's done. Kay is done. Oh, she's done. She's spitting. She is so done. All right, guys. So the huge 2 half-pound cups, which equals 1 pound. I ate a half a pound of a peanut butter cup. That was pretty delicious. Smells like peanut butter?
No.
All right, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I don't know why you would like this video, but give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from the channel, subscribe. And if you want to know when those videos drop, don't forget to hit the bell.
Comment down below wherever you want /like.
Kay is gonna go throw up, and you'll see us next time. Spread love. It's the Brooklyn way.